Do you find yourself stuck in repeating patterns and you just can't seem to get yourself out of them? Well, let's see what the cards have, the message that the cards have for you today. I absolutely love doing these soul readings with the tarot, and I don't know, it's just it's just the perfect fit for me. And I've been really called to record this today because I feel like there is someone needs to hear the message. So please leave me a comment and let me know how that resonated. Oh, this one wants to come out. And we are gonna see what are the tarot revealing today for you, what message they want you to know. And also I want to let you know that you can book a private consultation with me. I don't really see them as tarot, I see them as way beyond tarot. They are, to me, they're like soul consultation, where we dive deep, and my sessions, we do pull cards. I use the tarot as like divination to get the message for you, but I also do channeling. So we go deep and talk to your soul, so we get all the answers that your soul and your spirits want you to know right now, whatever answer you're ready for right now at the stage that you in. So all the links are down below. You could definitely check that out. Let's see which card come through. Oof. This is always so divine for me. Ah, first of all, we have Seven of Wands, right? Because what are we talking about? We're talking about you being stuck, you feeling like you stuck because you are repeating, you feel like you're repeating the same patterns. We do have Seven of Wands. And also we have the Devil card. The message is coming out loud and clear for me. Seven of Wands is literally that struggle. You know, it's saying that you felt like you've been kind of like stuck in the same loop, like the struggle, and you just don't seem to be able to drag yourself out, right? And it's tiring. You know, we've all been there. So I don't think like you already know your situation. It's just like when you feel like there's nothing left to give. You feel like life or the universe is just beating a dead horse. And this is what those frustrating life patterns can often feel like. But you also have to remember, this card, the Devil card, is literally here to kind of bring you back, to remind you, to bring perspective. There is something that you are not. Let me put this on just in case you got. There is something that you are not seeing properly here. The Devil card is literally calling you. It's an opportunity for you to slow down and do some self-assessment, because a lot of time we feel like we are in a bondage situation, but often we are the one that put ourselves in the bondage situation, or at least we don't want to, like, it's very hard for us to remove ourselves because we're just, a lot of things in life is like a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you stuck in your mind constantly telling yourself like nothing works out for you, God forbid, then it's just gonna keep on repeating the same pattern, because we also have to remember that our words, our belief system are pretty much creating our worlds every single day. So this card is a reminder to take a pause and really take a deep look. What exactly? Because what we don't have to remember here with the Devil is that there is a chain around their neck, but it's very loose. It's loose in a way as you can try to get out. So I'm really feeling that this is a time for you to really assess, have like, are you digging your hole deeper? If it's like financial, like you feel like you can't catch a break when it comes to money, it might be a time for you to really take a breather and ask yourself, are you too attached to certain things right now? Are you scared to let go? Perhaps of ego. Perhaps, you don't want to, you scared to feel like humiliated. You don't want to, you think like you just, it's humiliating. Everyone's going to know your personal story, your personal struggle. But I just want to remind you that everyone is going through their own struggle. So this is a time where you are being called to release yourself from the bondages, release the chain that is around your neck is not as tight as you think it is. And again, if you want to go deeper, because we can really go into your specific situation, especially with the channeling and the questions you have, and we can go and ask specific the questions you have to really help guide you more. So this is what we do in the private soul reading, where I use the tarot and a combination of the tarot and channeling to really help unstuck you, in whichever repeating frustrating patterns that you feel like you can't get out of. So definitely I'll leave all the links down below, but don't forget that there is always hope. Things are never really what they seem like, right? Because we're going through life with our five senses, and our five senses are quite limited. There's a lot of things that we are not seeing. A lot of time we get caught up in the anxiety, and we're not able to keep an objective perspective. This is your opportunity. It's not like you need to see the situation from a different angle and ask yourself, where is the chain? Where is there a little bit of loose where you can set yourself free from this bondage? On that note, I hope this was really helpful. Leave a comment down below. I love to hear from you, and I will see you in the next one, my